Today, so nung nakaraan ang pinag-aralan natin is about evaluating function, pero papahapyawan natin tong isa na topic which is kasama dun sa may evaluating functions. So ang pag-aaralan natin today is about piecewise functions. Bago ang lahat, basahin muna natin itong mga some of this learning objective na malalaman nyo after this na matapos natin itong i-discuss o pag-aralan. So, after these lessons, students will be able to define piecewise functions, identify various types of piecewise functions, and calculate piecewise function. So, what is the definition of piecewise function? A function defined by two or more functions over a specified domain. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, nung kasing pinag-aralan natin yung evaluating function, may iisa lang siyang function. Ngayon, dalawa na ang, two or more na ang magiging function natin sa isang equation. Pero nakabase dun sa may domain or yung x niya. Secondly, a function that has different parts or pieces. Yun. So, ano bang itsura ng piecewise function? Ganito ang itsura ng piecewise function. Kasi sabi sa definition niya, two or more functions, sabi niya. So, ito, may isa at dalawa tayong function sa may equation. At this function, may evaluate na natin yung piecewise function. At the same time, we can graph also the piecewise function. So, how to evaluate a piecewise function? So, we have an example here. Evaluating piecewise function is just like evaluating functions that you are already familiar with. So, parang ganun din lang sa may evaluating function. Pero ang pinagkaiba nito kasi, titingnan mo muna yung given na x or yung domain niya bago mo madedetermine kung ano yung magiging equation mo dito. So kung may 2 tayo, let's say we have 2, f of 2. So ang x natin dyan is yung 2. So we have equation here, f of x equals to x squared plus 1, which x is greater than 0. And we have equation 2, x less 1, x is greater or lesser than 0. So, anong gagamitin kaya natin ditong equation? Yung x squared plus 1 ba o yung x less 1? So, ang gagamitin natin is yung x less 1. Kasi, yung x is 2, mas malaki yung x compared dun sa 0. So, ang gagamitin nating equation is yung x less 1. So, we have here a solution. You are being asked to find y when x is equals to 2. Since 2 is greater than or equal to 0, you will only substitute into the second part of the function. So, sasubstitute na natin. So, f of 2 equals to 2 less 1 equals to 1. So, nakuha na natin yung answer. Secondly, we have example. Let's calculate f of negative 2 in equation of f of x equals to x squared plus 1 when x is lesser than 0 and x less 1 when x is greater than or equal to 0. So, ano kaya ang magiging equation natin dyan? So, ang given na x is negative 2. So, ano ba ang negative 2? E di mas baba dun sa 0. So, ang gagamitin nating equation is yung equation 1. Mas malaki kasi yung 0 kaysa yung given na x, which is yung negative 2. So, you are being asked to find y when x is negative 2. Since negative 2 is greater than 0, you will only substitute into the first part of the function. So, we substitute f of negative 2 equals to negative 2 squared plus 1 equals to 5. So, kindly answer this part. Then, afterwards, we will answer that later one by one. So, that's all for today, and thank you for listening. Have a nice day.